Alright, what I got here is some old I'm cleaning up these old vices I got, or clamps. Okay, we're back and we have sandblasted our clamps. About 10 of these for about $1 a piece. Just solid cast iron at a like one of those thrift stores, Humanity, something for humanity. Anyway, what we're going to do now is we're going to primer them, and I hung them on a string here. So, but I really like to use primer. It just makes the paint look thicker, or cleaner, I would say. And I haven't hung anything like this in a while to paint it, so it's moving all over the place. But it's kind of better. So I'm going to go ahead and paint these up. We'll start off with a primer coat, and since they look like big old magnets, I'm thinking about painting them red. So that's where we're at. And I have them just hung up here on a broomstick. I got an old barrel, and I got it on my mini drill press. So I'll come back when we start to paint them. Okay, we're back and we've painted one of them. It's drying right now, and now we're going to paint the other one. And what you have to do is pick it up and to paint the bottom of it. So we'll go ahead and let me see if I can set the camera up so I can show you what I'm talking about. You just pick up the bottom, get that out of the way, get the inside, underside out of the way, and the back half right here. And now we're ready to paint the rest. So I'm not really worried about the threads because I'm taking this apart and I'm going to wire wheel the threads. But I want the top rod here. That doesn't have any threads on it. I don't care if the paint gets on there. That's almost it. Let me get... That's about it. And I got another one here I'll get ready to do. Okay, we're back. This is the next day, and all the clamps have dried really nice. So what I did, the last step, was simply to take and use the wire wheel, sand away any of the paint that got on the threads. I add a little bit of WD, just a little bit, so that it doesn't rust again. And you can see that we're all set. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest. If you don't want to remove the paint, you probably don't have to, but it would work a little better, I believe, to remove the paint. And it's just the way I want to do it. So I need to add a key into this one, and I'll replace, there's a nail in this one, so I'll use a key in that one too. And that's about it. Till next time, thanks for clicking on the ads and watching the videos.